Welcome back. Today we are making a traditional Karnataka dish called Uppittu or Upma. This is a quick and healthy meal for kids and families. Uppittu or Upma is light, nutritious, and easy to digest. It is gentle on the stomach and gives steady energy. This makes it perfect for busy mornings and stress-free meals for kids. Let us start with the ingredients. We are using fresh diced carrots, chopped green beans, green peas, crushed ginger, finely chopped onion, and spring onions, all fresh from the garden. Upma is a very flexible dish. You can also add vegetables like sweet corn, potato, pumpkin, bottle gourd, ridge gourd, capsicum, spinach, or zucchini. For extra protein, you can add peanuts, cashew nuts, sprouts, or small cubes of paneer. For younger kids, always chop vegetables very small so they mix well into the upma. The main ingredient is rava. Rava is easy to digest and gives quick energy. Heat a pan on low flame. Add 1 cup of rava. This quantity serves up to 2 adults or 1 adult and 1 child. Roast the rava slowly. Stir continuously. This gives a nutty aroma and helps prevent lumps. When the rava turns light golden, remove it and keep it aside in another bowl. In the same pan, add a little oil or ghee. Add mustard seeds and let them pop gently. Ghee adds healthy fats, which are important for brain development in kids. Add crushed or grated ginger. Ginger helps digestion and reduces bloating. Optionally, add curry leaves, green chilies, peanuts, or cashew nuts. For kids, use fewer chilies or skip them completely. Saute for a few seconds until fragrant. Now add chopped onions. Cook until they turn soft and slightly transparent. Add the chopped vegetables. Stir well. Cover and cook until the vegetables are soft but still bright in color. Soft vegetables make the upma easier for kids to chew and digest. Carrots add natural sweetness and vitamin A, which is good for eyesight. Beans and peas provide fiber and plant protein, which support growth and digestion. Spring onions add flavor and important vitamins. On another stove, heat 3 to 4 cups of water. Add salt to taste. In our case, half a teaspoon is enough. Mix well and bring the water to a gentle boil. Once the vegetables are lightly cooked, lower or turn off the flame. Slowly add the roasted rava. Stir continuously. Now add the hot water little by little and adjust the consistency as needed. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. Lower the flame and cover the pan. Let the heat cook for a couple of minutes. The rava absorbs the water and becomes soft and fluffy. Open the lid and fluff gently with a spatula. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee for extra flavor, if required. This improves taste and makes the dish more kid-friendly. The Karnataka-style Uppittu or Upma is now ready. Serve it hot. You can enjoy it with coconut chutney, plain curd, or simply as it is. Curd adds probiotics, which are good for gut health in children. This is a balanced meal with carbohydrates, vegetables, healthy fats, and protein. Your kids will enjoy it and get the nutrition they need. For more kid-friendly parenting and cooking videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.